Asteroids. Asteroids are often known as minor planets in our solar system. Asteroids are metallic or rocky asteroids with no atmospheres that are too tiny to be classified as planets. They are remnants of the solar system's early development about 4.6 billion years ago. A huge number of asteroids exist between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Meteorites. They are small pieces of asteroids that evaporate in the atmosphere. They usually burn out when they enter the atmosphere. The light seen is popularly referred to as shooting star. Those that reach the Earth are called meteorites.